case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An 1872 court case, Harrison v. Wisdom, tackled the precedent-setting issue of justifying the destruction of personal property in the interest of public necessity. This Tennessee Supreme Court case centered on an 1862 incident where citizens of Clarksville destroyed a substantial quantity of liquor to prevent it from falling into the hands of invading federal soldiers. A public meeting led the citizens, defendants in the case, to resolve safeguarding the city by destroying the spirituous liquors. The plaintiff, a liquor owner, handed over his key willingly for the purpose of destroying his liquors as an act of public safety. The consequences were, however, regretted by the plaintiff, who later brought legal action against the defendants. The initial court ruling was in favor of the defendants, tying the act of property destruction to the principle of public necessity. However, issues arose in the handling of the case. The plaintiff's appeal highlighted court errors, which included the disqualification of witnesses considered incompetent and the exclusion of certain testimonies. The Supreme Court agreed, pointing out courtroom oversights when they ruled in favor of the plaintiff's appeal. The same court highlighted the principle that destruction of property can indeed be justified in dire situations, underscored by real necessity and proportionality. However, the court demanded a fair trial, asserting that the hearing of all evidence and the competent representation of witnesses, often the safeguards of justice, were erroneously handled during the initial trial. In a twist to the narrative, the defendants, despite their legal victory, agreed to compensate the plaintiff for the value of the destroyed liquor, dropped the issue. The verdict, regardless of its immediate impact, established jurisprudence in balancing private property rights and public necessity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.